35% of teens named Snapchat, owned by Snap Incorporated, as their #1 preferred social media platform, according to Statista in 2021. The platform boasted over 85 million users in the United States alone as of 2020, and current projections suggest this number will grow to nearly 90 million by 2023. Unfortunately, while Snapchat may be widely popular with youth, its addictive algorithm and inherently harmful features have led to serious mental health problems and suicide among children and teens. Snapchat has a profit model based on how many hours they keep children online. As a result, children are not merely stumbling upon harmful information, but are actually being pointed to it. Snapchat users can post images or videos known as snaps. Snapchat offers users the ability to set time limits on snaps, so they disappear as soon as they are viewed. This creates the illusion that pictures and videos posted on Snapchat are temporary and may encourage teens to share content they otherwise wouldn't, like explicit images or cyberbullying messages. This feature may also encourage sexual predators to actively participate on the platform. A feature called Snap Maps allows users to share and view each other's locations. Theoretically, only friends can see it, but many Snapchat friends are not people teen users know and can be sexual predators or drug dealers. These unique Snapchat features prevent parental monitoring, compel daily use of the platform, and allow users to reveal their location. It's no wonder that parents are filing Snapchat lawsuits accusing the company of failing to warn users about the dangers of its product, defective design, and gender discrimination, among other complaints. The Social Media Victims Law Center works to hold social media companies legally accountable for the harm they inflict on vulnerable users. They have filed several lawsuits against Snapchat on behalf of families whose children were targeted and harmed by the platform's algorithmic discrimination, which recommends and promotes inappropriate content to young people based on their gender and race. Meta Platforms, the owners of Instagram, have also been named in these lawsuits. In the case of Rodriguez versus Meta Platforms Incorporated and Snap Incorporated, Selena Rodriguez became addicted to Snapchat and Instagram at the age of 9. By the time she reached 11, Selena had become sleep-deprived from constant checking of notifications at all hours of the day. She regularly interacted with men and sent them explicit selfies, which were then publicly shared and resulted in bullying at school. Selena developed eating disorders, low self-esteem, and severe depression. Despite multiple psychiatric hospitalizations, outpatient therapy, and her mother's attempts to remove access to social media, Selena's addiction to the platform ultimately led to her suicide on July 21, 2021. In the case of Doffing versus Meta Platforms Incorporated and Snap Incorporated, Brittany Doffing and her minor daughter MK are suing Meta and Snap Inc. for negative impacts on MK's mental health. In March 2020, on her 14th birthday, MK received her first phone compatible with social media apps. She immediately installed Instagram and Snapchat. Within 2 weeks, she was addicted. She became sleep-deprived, and her performance at school suffered drastically. MK received sexually explicit communications from adult male sexual predators and became obsessed with her body image, resulting in an eating disorder. Her mother intervened by confiscating her daughter's phone, which only resulted in MK running away so she could access social media some other way. MK was hospitalized twice as a result of psychiatric episodes related to her addiction. In the case of Hefner versus Meta Platforms Incorporated and Snap Incorporated, middle school student Liam Birchfield, who once enjoyed playing his guitar and planned to join the United States Air Force after high school, tragically became addicted to Snapchat and Instagram. He was soon staying up until the early morning hours every night, scrolling through endless feeds and communicating with strangers. He also viewed material that included information about firearms. By age 17, Liam had become depressed, experienced suicidal thoughts, and engaged in self-harm, which led directly to his suicide by gunshot on July 6, 2021. In the case of Dolly versus Meta Platforms Incorporated and Snap Incorporated, Christopher James, CJ Dolly, was an active honor student, athlete, and outdoorsman who began using Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat around the age of 15. He started exchanging explicit photographs and shortly became obsessed with his body image. He suffered from being sleep deprived as he communicated on social media throughout the day and night. Although CJ showed no outward signs of depression or mental injury, on January 4, 2015, at the age of 17, CJ fatally shot himself, only leaving behind a suicide note to assure his parents it was not their fault. Snapchat is also being examined by the Federal Bureau of Investigation as multiple teens and young adults have died after buying prescription drugs laced with fentanyl from drug dealers they connected with through the app. It's clear that Snapchat points young users towards harmful content and uses features that decrease parents' ability to monitor their children's activities on the platform while making it easier for predators to find them. This, along with the platform's other inherently harmful features, makes Snapchat unsafe for kids. If you believe that Snapchat has harmed your child or teen, contact the Social Media Victims Law Center to learn how we can help. Reach out to our team now for a free confidential case evaluation.